This is Hutt Lagoon, just outside Port Gregory in Western Australia, often called the Pink Lake. Its incredible colour comes from naturally occurring algae that thrive in the salty water, producing a red pigment that turns the lake bright pink depending on the light and season.
From the Pink Lake we head north towards Kalbarri, where we'll be spending a few days exploring the coastline, the gorges and quietly celebrating our anniversary. It's our anniversary tomorrow, so we're celebrating today.
No way. How many years?
24.
It's more than 24.
Nope.
Isn't it? Feels like more than 24. Feels like about 42.
I'd look a lot older if that's the case. Anyway, look at our view. They don't have a tip box. Can you take my horrible change? Keep my handbag light.
Horrible, horrible change.
Blue holes, Kalbarri. I could live here if it was one of those houses.
Yeah, well, they look quite spectacular, but you'd be living indoors.
Because of the wind.
Yeah.
So, what did you think of Mushroom Rock?
Bit flat. Not a very good mushroom. I think somebody was on mushrooms when they decided to name it. Magic ones. More like a little button mushroom.
So, Ken and Julie, I say you want to live here? I presume this is where you wanted to live. No, I don't think so. No. It's brand new.
Gorgy,
and that's Beachy Weechy.
Yep, not too far down to the beach.
No, we want some there though.
I reckon it's quite a nice swim. I posted some photos on Facebook, and someone from the Rover group said, "I think your hair is getting more bleached as you travel." I said, "You are correct. The same goes for our clothes." She says, "Shopping spree when you get back." Big smiley face.
I think you're going to be shopping for everything. It's so lovely, isn't it? I mean, beautiful, beautiful. We're going to the Skywalk, we're going to the window.
Nature's window.
Nature's window. Carl has been moaning about the 28 million they've spent creating the Skywalk.
Yeah, and all they charge is $17 entry per vehicle. It's a lot of $17 to get your 28 million back. Can't see that happening. Seems like a lot of money for a Skywalk.
And there are 4 to 5 parking bays for caravans, which we didn't know about.
Yeah, that's annoying. So we camped at the Murchison Home Ranch farm stay, because obviously you can't bring caravans in here. Well, the road's wide enough to get any vehicle down here. Even one of those great big mining dumper trucks can drive down here. It's brilliant. Don't know why they say you can't bring a caravan in.
Right, can you do some stuff without talking now? And nod your head every now and again.
got 2 on you.
Really?
3. Oh, I thought more on your arms than there is on your back.
See the amount you got on you. So this is the 30 billion sky.
30 billion, it's 28 million, stupid.
Oh. Look at that. They made it and brought it out. It's to ourselves. This has been on the bloody drone.
And just fly straight out and look back.
Okay.
It was a bit windy up there. I thought it might have been. As soon as I got over about 40 meters, it said high wind warning. And then it said can't fly back to home point, not guaranteed to fly back to home point or something. And I thought, yeah.
I think it's out there, it's really windy.
Yeah. It flew against the wind, but it was a high wind warning. And then there was warnings about, not being able to fly back to the home point, which was here. Oh, gosh.
Yeah, because of the wind, because we didn't put our mics on. Again. What is that?
It's a big whack.
No, I don't know what it is. Cute.
I thought it stuck out a lot further. Can't see us.
Nope.
Two random people. What? God, there's some flies around, isn't there?
Kilometre return. Walk slightly behind me. That's it. Come on. It's just so we can both getting camera shot, that's all. That's it.
Flies, flies, flies.
Are you the other side now?
That's because you're zigging and zagging down the path. You're going like this. So you can watch what you're doing.
always a Z bend then?
Yeah. Goes around like a Z.
Doesn't look like a Z to me.
I think there is a walk down to the bottom.
Right.
It's a bit of a hike.
Lots of fish, look at that. Where's your mummy? Hey? There's one. Hello. Little kiwi. There's another one. Oh, and there's another. You are so cute.
Hello.
Look at you. All four of you.
Another one back there, 5.
All 5 of you.
Hello, little baby
You're
goats.
sweeties, yeah. Sweeties.
They look a bit blind, don't they?
Oh, I don't think they are.
No, but they look kind of... The way they look at you is kind of a bit weird.
Okay. Anyway, let's go.
Yep, let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Next time we head even further north to the wild and beautiful Shark Bay. If you are enjoying our videos, please click like, subscribe and click the bell for notifications.